To my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought a new updates regarding PhD admission in IIT Bhubaneswar. Before going in detail, I request you all please like, share and subscribe the channel. So IIT Bhubaneswar has given the notification for PhD program. The application has started from 10th of March 2021 and last date is 20th April 2021. They have given notification for three type of scholars who want to apply for PhD. First one institute scholar, second sponsored scholar, and third one project scholar. What are the differences in that? In the institute scholar, you will undergo your PhD as a full time, and you will get a full fellowship as per the standard set by MHRD. Second one, a sponsored scholar. In that, if you are working in any national level research organization or government organization or any university or college, then you can apply in that category. And third one, project scholar. If you are working in any project at IIT Bhubaneswar, and if this project having time of 2 years for completion, then you can enroll in PhD program at IIT Bhubaneswar. What are the process? First you have to do the registration. In that you will get the user ID and password. How to do new registration? By clicking on this one, click here for new registration. After the getting your user ID and password, click on the click here to login, and after that you will be asked to fill up different details. Then you fill the details and submit. Submit after attaching some documents and payment. After doing payment, you submit your form. There are different departments in which you can apply. First one, School of Basic Sciences. In that you can apply for PhD in bioscience, in chemistry, in physics, in mathematics. There are different areas for each sub branches, like for physics, for chemistry, for biosciences. They have different areas. You have to choose your interested areas and fill that during applying form, and after that maybe they will ask you 2 to 3 areas of as per your interest. Next in which you can apply for PhD is School of Earth, Ocean and Climate Science. In that there are two sub branches, atmosphere and ocean sciences, and next one geology. There are different areas where you select the required one in which you have interest, and fill that thing in fill that during applying the form. Next one, School of Electrical Sciences. In that you can apply for PhD in computer science, ECE, electrical engineering. Next one, School of Humanity and Social Sciences. You can apply for economics, English, then psychology. In that also there are different areas. You choose the required one in which you have interest. Next one, School of Infrastructure. You can apply for PhD in water resources engineering, structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, transportation and environmental. And next one, School of Mechanical Sciences. In that also they have different areas for like fluid mechanics, turbulence, computational fluid dynamics, machining of ceramic and hard material, surface texturing. Like that there are different areas. And last one, a School of Mineral, Metallurgical and Material Engineering. In that also there are different areas like energy material, battery, electro spraying, and this one non-ferrous extractive metallurgy, stainless steel and ferroalloy production. Likewise different areas you can choose the required one. Eligibility criteria for all like institute scholar, sponsored scholar and project scholar. The basic criteria is same for every type of scholar. Means for a sponsored scholar same criteria, for institute scholar same criteria, and for project scholar same criteria. But little bit difference in rest thing, like In some you will be you if you have not any type of GATE score or UGC or JRF, then you can apply in that category. That is that will be given in this. Like for PhD in engineering, if you have ME Tech with 65% marks or 6.5 CGPA with valid GATE score during MTech admission, then you can apply. Or BE Tech with 70% marks or 7.5 CGPA and having valid GATE score, then you can apply. Or you either you have GATE score or UGC CSIR or NET score. Or this is for either you have BE Tech with 70% marks or MEM Tech with 6.5% marks, or if you have MSc or equivalent degree with 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA and valid GATE score. If you are fulfilling any one in this, then you can apply. Second, the must criteria is if you have in 10th or 12th anyone 60% marks or other having less than the 10%, means if you have 50% marks in other, then you can apply for that. Same thing apply for PhD in basic sciences, means 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA in master's, 55% in bachelor of sciences or equivalent degree, 60% marks in age required in other examination, and for anyone 10% marks relaxation will be given for you. And next one, you must have valid GATE score or any other UGC CSIR NET score. PhD in geosciences also they have same criteria like 60% marks in masters in related subjects, 55% marks in BSc or equivalent degree, 60% marks in other 10th or 12th, anyone. 10% relaxation will be given in anyone if you have 60% in 12th and if you have 50% in 10th, then you can apply, and you must have a valid GATE score. Same thing apply for PhD climate science. You can read by taking a screenshot. It's not possible to explain everything. Humanity and social sciences also the same criteria, 55% marks in master degree, 60% marks in is required in other examination like 10th or 12th, anyone, and you must have UGC NET score. Regarding application fee, for general candidate they will charge 500 rupees, and for other candidate like SC, ST or PG or PWD candidate, they are charging 250 rupees. So this is good chance for you apply, because it has all the necessary requirement, means what you want, like good labs or other things. IIT Bhubaneswar is having everything. So you apply here, and if you want any other details, then you can also comment me. I will reply you. Thank you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe as soon as possible for upcoming updates. Thank you.